The Mercedes-Benz S-Class W220 was a technological marvel in its time, but it also had its fair share of quirks. If you're a new owner or thinking about picking one up, here are 10 essential tips and tricks to help you keep your W220 running smoothly and avoid common problems. Keep your transmission happy. Change your transmission fluid more frequently than the recommended interval. Aim for every 30,000 to 40,000 miles to prevent premature wear. Airmatic attention. Regularly inspect your Airmatic suspension for leaks, paying close attention to the air struts, especially the strut tops and pump pipework. Crank sensor awareness. Be aware of the crank position sensor, as it can cause stalling or starting problems, especially when the engine is hot. Coolant check. Keep an eye out for oil in your coolant, which could indicate a problem with the oil cooler. Flex disc. Focus. If your W220 has over 80,000 miles, inspect the flex discs. Worn ones can cause vibrations and driveline noise. Breathe easy. Replace the cabin air filter regularly. This simple DIY task can improve cabin air quality and climate control effectiveness. Rust buster. Prevent rust by regularly inspecting and addressing any signs of corrosion, paying attention to the wheel arches and trunk lid. Battery saver. Be mindful of potential battery drain. The self-leveling suspension can drain the battery, especially in strong winds. Sunroof savvy. Keep the sunroof drains clear to prevent water damage to the SAM module, which can lead to various electrical malfunctions. Hidden gems. Discover hidden features like the rest button for residual heat, the instrument cluster hidden menu, and global synchronization for windows and sunroof.
Hi, Wesley, the Gizmo Guy here. Today I'm going to show you how you can add Bluetooth, how to install Bluetooth to a car radio that does not have Bluetooth.
We have a review on the Gizmo Guy Gadget. I've had this for about 3-4 weeks now. Bro, this is the best purchase I've made for my S-Class so far. I have a 2005 S55 AMG. It does not come with any type of aux, Bluetooth, no way to pair your phone to the radio and play your own music. However, a lovely guy online sold me this Gizmo Guy Gadget. All you do is plug it in right there to the cigarette port. Comes with a USB Type-C charger as well. This you could stick almost anywhere. I haven't found a spot yet. For now, I'm leaving it right here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful product. There's no static, no... The sound, you're not going to get a better, clearer sound if you don't use this product. I've used other products. I bought a bunch from Amazon. Nothing compares to the quality and clearness of this product right here. I have my phone connected right now, and you guys can hear me perfectly. I'm going to play a little music so you can hear how it sounds with the music playing. But yeah, if I could rate it 5 stars, I would 100% give it 5 stars. This thing has saved me. To get an integrated system, it's going to be over $500 without installation. With installation, probably around $700. This little device saves you so much money. I get a call, all I have to do is press this, all the audio pauses. Still I rise, my Angelo vibes. When life coming at you from all angles and sides, and they don't want to see that you smiling from inside. It really boils down to how you plan to survive. Love certain ones, but never get attached to them. Give them nice things, but what's that to them? Especially when another girl I flew in is flicking up in my bathroom. That's only half volume on this thing, but I think you can really understand the clearness and the well-built quality of this product. I love it. Rate it 10 out of 10 if I could. Have a nice day.
Google Gizmo Guy Gadgets for details.